Welcome back from the break. Of course, you are watching your favorite show, and I don't need to tell you the name again. Of course, my name is Kruddy, but guess what? It's no time for talent on the rise. And this artist name, Kapachi. Kapachi, you're the boss right now because I hear a couple people are talking about you. And that's why this one is brought to you by Calico Jack, wonderful tasting rum punch. Pree Dis right now. Wine, girl, free up your body and wine. Free up your body and wine. Free up your body and wine. Right now, Kapachi, I bring something new and different to the people, which is righteousness said we, because you know, so we have to just keep the people them on our wall and make them know life and make them know the fullness of the Almighty said we, and make them know the goodness. So that's all about Kapachi right now. Good music, righteousness, and just go and teach people them goodness, you know.
How would you describe the musical journey?
Well, the musical journey, you know, it's not an easy journey, you know, but go on hold the faith and go on do some hard work. We don't know, some way, somehow, some chain or some link break and Kapachi we out in the spotlight, people them can't see what going on and know what going on, you know, naturally.
So you're promoting 2 songs right now. What are the 2 songs you're pushing right now?
Right now pushing Blazing Fire and Wanted. Wanted is a girl tune, it's all about the girl them wind up and things, so you don't know when we see a girl go on bad in the party and things, they say, well, we don't want to bring home the one day, so it's all about that way. The Blazing Fire, upfulness, righteousness, it's what man say. It's what man say, talking about poor people, separation. And my real name is Winston Bailey. You don't know, mother and father, I think. Alright, Kapachi now come from friend, school. So man say, while going to school, love the music and I go on DJ still. I used to call myself Dusty Foxy, but I say, no sir, that name don't fit here. So man say, so one day I'm bridging the day I go on all the vibes and we are going DJ. And I say, no, you know, I call you Kapachi, because you are the whole way a party. So man say, and Kapachi mean friend, you know, so that's all about Kapachi. Kapachi is from the town of Margaritaville, you don't know. Otherwise, some people don't say, Galchester said, you don't know.
In terms of the direction, where does Kapachi see himself, say, 5 years from now? What would you have hoped to accomplish in 5 years' time?
Well, right now, 5 years time from now, would I love to know something accomplish. Being Kapachi, bringing out the music, I really would love to bring out to the people them. People them are here, righteousness, and the people them can't live off of my words. Cause we not like how Babylon them just a pressure the poor. And me the fire make the Rasta blaze it up some more, yeah. Cause we not like how Babylon them just a pressure the poor, yo. As I said before, we are here at Portland at the Jerk Festival. As you can see, wonderful fun, wonderful vibe, family entertainment. Now, it's now time for the video premiere of the week, and it comes from Trinidad, Mr. Renzo. Tell the girl them for bend them back. I can see how long she can last for this right here. Speed it up, man.
Tip on your toe, sit down, pan it, wine, slow. Back it up, jiggle up, baby. Pan me, shove up your bumper. Use your hand touch your toe when you bend over. And wind up your body when you bend over. Bend over. Mr. Renzo, instruct the girl them. Bed, ground, floor, walk, tick, tock, behind the truck. Soak a sweet in your head, eat it up. Turn around cause my want beat it up now. I'ma want feel it up now. Make it sit for my thing now. Make it split for my thing, baby, bounce for my thing. Make a man sing the thing now. Wipe on it, wipe on it, wipe on it. Roll on it, roll on it, roll on it. Wipe on it, wipe on it, wipe on it. Roll on it, roll on it, roll on it. Come on, wipe for my thing, make it bend your back. Roll for my thing, make it bend your back. Wipe for my thing, make it bend your back. Make it bend your back, make it bend your back. Come on, bend your back, bubble it, then you drop to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Sit down, sit down, sit down, get up and sit down, get up and back it up, set up and wine till I wet up. Bend over now like a sitting, you want to take up and me love it when you tip up on your toe like you a step up. All when you tired, me nah go make you rest up. Me a beg you put your leg up, jump up and no leg up. Come on, move a girl and wine on me. Girl, put your body on my body. Slow down, tick tock your waistline on me. When you back your bubble it, jiggle it, every style on me. When you wine up and bubble up your waist in a regular. Girl, get over, rest for me. Let me spell in ya. Girl, me want you. Wipe on it, wipe on it, wipe on it. Remember to follow us on Twitter at Pree Dis Show. We're going for a second commercial break, and when we get back, we still have a lot more because we're at the Jerk Festival in Portland. It's brought to you by Best Dress. We'll soon roll back.